Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I am coming on to share with you a closer look at the Sweet Peony card kit from Heartfelt Creations. I went ahead and picked up another one of these card kits to do a series, so I'm just sharing with you what's inside the kit. I've already taken it out of the plastic because I had complaints on crinkling. So anyway, in case you're not familiar with the card kits, I'll share with you what's inside. It comes with all the pieces you need to create the recard kits, step-by-step instructions, extra paper pieces in case you either don't like the paper pieces to create the cards or if you would like to make additional cards. So this is what it says on the packaging, okay? And here are the 3 beautiful cards that it makes. So here I'll show you what the first one looks like. Really pretty. Here's the second one. And here's the third one. And as you can see, these are great in case you don't own any of the collections. It provides you all the die cuts from previous collections. Like some of these I don't own. I do own this one and this one, but I don't own the little bicycle or the window. So this is great for me, and also don't own this little eyelet oval die. So it's great for me because I get to create the same cards that they make on their YouTube channel and gallery. So, okay, I'll share with you what's inside. And the papers are gorgeous, as I can tell right now. Now, there are no envelopes. You have this sparkly glitter. Look how fabulous that is. Love the glitter. Okay, we'll go over what's in card number 1. I did not take all the pieces out of the plastic, so you'll hear some crinkling, unfortunately. They did stamp out all the die cuts and their colors. All you have to do is color the pieces yourself. So here are the flowers that it comes with. So it's enough to make the flowers that's shown on the picture. So here's the die cuts. Everything is stamped out perfectly. Here's a little bike. There's a little flag that's already stamped out. These are the little window pieces to make the window. More layering pieces for the flower, and there's leaves for the flower. So really nice there. The window, as you can see, is stamped out in pink. More leaves. And then look at this gorgeous paper. Here is one layering piece, and there's a piece that's already cut out for the window. And then there's a background piece to give, you know, the window a scene. Really love that. So, very nice there. So that's card number 1. So I'll set that aside, and I'll put these pieces up for the series. The sentiments are already included for you, so I can keep these separate. So then we'll go on to card number 2. I guess you can use these little plastic pieces as the envelope, you know, the little bags that they come in. You can use that as the envelope if you like. Some people like to put their cards in these clear bags. Okay, so for card number 2, that's really nice. They stamped the card for you. So it's already stamped with the ink to create your card. So that's how that looks. There is an oval piece, so you can choose which side you want. You can make it exactly as you like on the front of the card, but this is a beautiful card. Nice springtime colors. Here's more die cuts for the flowers. It's stamped out in green, and you'll layer the flower over this die cut to give it a three-dimensional look. There's the bird cage. And here are some sentiments, because I care. And then there looks to be like some layering pieces. More pieces for that. Here's an oval. And then more pieces for the flowers. And then more of that. Okay, so that's what's in card number 2. And then I'll set this aside. Alright, so let's see what's in card number 3. Okay, this is a happy birthday card. This is the design for that. Just gave me another idea of how to use my set that I own right now. So really great idea there. So this is the design. Here's some layering pieces. Look how pretty that is. So I don't know if you can just do a choice of which one you want, or the one goes on the back and one goes on the front. Cover the inside and the outside, maybe. So really great ideas there. Then this is one of my favorite sets of theirs that they use to layer on. So really pretty there. And then here is the eyelet circle, and then here's some more of the flowers. This is really a beautiful kit. I love all the different ideas they have here to make the flower. And here's the leaves, and happy birthday. Okay, so that's what's in number 2 or 3, and I'll set that aside. So then here are some of the papers that you have to do some extra things. You can do some layering pieces if you like. So here's something for the inside, like you can put the inside on that card if you want. Look at these beautiful papers, just gorgeous. I love that. Here's some more extra pieces. There's just so much extra in this one. Here's some strips. More pieces. Just beautiful papers. So here's that. Here's the back. You can make some 6x6 cards. This is a lot in this one. That one, really nice. And it's green on the back. Here's some seams. And then here's 2 that you can cut in half and make 2 additional cards. And here's how it looks on the back. So that's what's in the kit. So I will link below where you can find this kit if you want to follow along with this series. So I hope you enjoyed the closer look of this kit. So take care everyone, and have a fabulous day.